Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for Monday, 27 September 2021. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP JPY, Gold USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and on Friday the market closed at 1.3666, the devil's number 666. So this is the last traded price of GBP USD, and as you can see that I have got many lines drawn here on the chart. So let's try to understand why these lines are important and what is going on in the chart of GBP USD, and then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? So let's get started. So first of all, if you look at the overall trend of GBP USD, then we can see that we do not have any particular trend in the market, because overall this is a sideways market and there is no doubt about it. Okay. But if we just focus on the present trend of GBP USD here, or if I just ask you to observe this particular portion of the market here, then we can see that GBP USD is in downtrend right now. Yes, overall trend is sideways, but right now GBP USD is in downtrend. And in this market, the most important levels on the chart right now are the 1.3600, which is this support for the market, or the extreme support I would say, because you can see that whenever market faced severe selling pressure, huge selling pressure, 1.3600 was the level that provided support to the market. So in simple words, strong buyers are present in this level, and all the time they are providing support to the market. So 1.3600 is the most important support for the market. Clear? And apart from this level, we have got 1.3750 to 1.3780 as the resistance. Oh, sorry, I have written here support, but it would be resistance. Sorry, spelling mistake. And I'm extremely sorry, I do not get time to edit my videos, so please don't mind. So this is the weekly resistance here. So as this is a sideways market, so in sideways market we get trading opportunities on both the side. So if you ask me, Avilash, what is the best trading strategy for GBP USD, or the best trading spot in GBP USD, then I'll say that in simple words, that you can buy here or you can sell here. Right now market is in the middle here, so if you have any ongoing position, be on the trade. But if you are looking for a fresh entry, fresh position on GBP USD, then my dear friends, this is not the ideal time, because see, market is trading in the middle. If you buy here, your stop loss would be here, and this will be your take profit target, so your risk is too much. On the other hand, if you short the market also, again your risk to reward ratio is not much in your favor, because see, market is just standing in the middle. And as I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So market is trading in the middle, you do not need to trade in the middle. Wait for the market, wait for the price to come down to your territory. So your territory is this. So if market comes down and takes support at 1.3600, okay, then just observe the price. If you see market bouncing from here, or market forming hammer kind of a pattern here, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, at 1.3600 buyers are still present in the market, and you can just click on the buy button. On the other hand, if market goes up from here, okay, then just observe the price at 1.3750 to 1.3780 level. There is a good possibility of market reversing from this particular level. So if market reverses from this level here, then you can short the market. Okay, so for Monday, buy here and short here. Clear? And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You'll find it on my website, avilashhazarika.com, under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 70% retail traders have taken short position, and 29% retail traders have taken short position. Again, I'm mistaking. 29% have taken short position and 70% have taken long position. So 70% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up, and as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. So my dear friends, there is a possibility of market going down. To be honest, okay, I prefer to take trades against the sentiment of these retail traders. So retail traders are thinking market will be going up, so there is a possibility of market going down. Let me tell you why. This is the chart of US dollar, and as we all know, US dollar is correlated to GBP. Whenever dollar goes up, GBP goes down, and when dollar goes down, GBP goes up. So if dollar takes support and bounces from here, because you can see that GBP is in, dollar is in uptrend, and there is a good support at 93.20 as well as this trend line. We have a double support here. We have a double support here. So there is a good possibility of market bouncing from this support after the market opening. So if US dollar bounces from the support, then definitely GBP USD will be going down. Yes, afterwards it has a sub resistance. US dollar has resistance at 93.60. That's a different chapter, but there is a possibility of US dollar bouncing from this support level. So if it bounces from the support level, then GBP USD will be going down. So the strategy is simple. Okay, buy at this particular level of 1.3600. If market bounces, that is your first trading opportunity. And if market goes up, okay, if market goes up and reaches 1.3750 level to 1.3780 level, and if market reverses, you can short the market. This is your second trading opportunity. And lastly, you can see that I have also drawn a black line here. Let me tell you why this level is important. If I draw the Fibonacci retracement here, then you can see that this is the 50% retracement level. Okay, this is 1.3750 is the 50% retracement level of Fibonacci. Okay, and you can see that previously when market went up at this particular level, market faced resistance and market came down. So instead of 1.3750 level, there is also a possibility of market reversing from this level, 1.3718 level. So if market goes up on Monday and reverses from this level, then also you can short the market. Just keep in mind to use proper stop loss above this level. Okay, so if market reverses from this black level, you can also short the market. So this is your third trading opportunity on GBP USD, because there is a good possibility of GBP USD going down if dollar takes support and bounces. Clear? And my dear friends, this is it. Hopefully you've understood. And recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. If you're interested, go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You will find all the necessary information. Bye bye, take care. Hopefully you got the idea. See you on Monday again.